the Headshots Gift Voucher Template Tutorial. On the front side of the Headshots Gift Voucher, start by clicking on the blue film strip frames. Then, click on Position at the top of the Canva menu, and click backward twice to bring both horizontal placeholder images to the top. Next, click on the instant film frames and click Position, and then click backwards for each frame as well. Then go to your uploaded images or the image folder you saved on Canva to drag and drop your images into the 4 image placeholders. You may need to adjust the crop by double-clicking the image and adjust the photo inside the frame to your designer crop. If you place the wrong image in a placeholder, you can replace it by dragging another image on top of it. Then, to the bottom of the Canva app, click on the back page thumbnail to begin customizing. Select an image to place into the hero placeholder image. If the subject's face or body appears below the other placeholder image, you can reverse the image by clicking on Position. Then go to Flip and select Flip Horizontal. Double-click the image to adjust the crop and the image position. Next, click on the instant film frame, go to Position, and send it backward. Then select an image to place into the placeholder image, and adjust the crop if needed. Now, go to the contact information section and change the phone number. The website. And the physical address to your studio location to finish this page. Be sure to change the position of the instant film frame so it appears over the photo. Click on each film frame. Go to Position and click to Front. Go back to the front side of the template to bring the rest of the film frames above the photos. Select the blue film frames. Go to Position and select Forward. Then, click on the instant film frames. Click Position and select to Front for each. You can customize the placeholder logo if you don't have one. Click on the text and type in your studio name. Change the initials to match your name and arrange them as needed for balance. If you have a logo, select the placeholder logo and click the trash can icon to remove. Click on your logo saved to Canva Uploads to add to the template. A transparent PNG of your logo works best. Move the logo into the position within the empty space at the top left of the template and size the logo down if needed. Double-check both sides of the template for any errors and edit text in the template if you desire. You are now ready to download the template to upload to the printer. Go to the top right corner of the Canva app and click on Share. Slide the file size to maximum. Slide the quality to large. Make sure both sides of the template are selected under Select Pages. Click Done, then click on Download.